Hi guys, so are you ready for a recipe that's effortlessly elegant, incredibly delicious and tastes like it came straight from 5-star restaurant? Today we are making a show-stopping dish that seafood lovers will absolutely adore. Our ultimate butter garlic mixed seafood. This isn't just a meal, it's a celebration of simple, beautiful ingredients. We are talking about succulent prawns, tender squids and juicy mussels, all bathed in a rich, velvety butter and garlic sauce. It's a dish that's a perfect balance of luxury and simplicity. So grab your ingredients and let's begin with this recipe. So first take 700 grams mixed seafood. These are prawns, squids, and mussels. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon dry red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about half an hour. Then in a hot pan, add oil, add 6 tablespoons melted butter, add 6 garlic cloves chopped, and then fry it for few seconds. Make sure you do not brown the garlic, not even slightly. Then add 2 onions chopped, add 2 green chilies chopped, half cup spring onion white, and then fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add the marinated mixed seafood and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover it and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see that it has released its water. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 stock cube, add half cup double cream, add handful of spring onion green chopped, and then give it a nice mix. Then cook it for about 2 minutes until it is nice and thick. So the butter garlic mixed seafood is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own effortlessly elegant butter garlic mixed seafood. Just look at that perfect mix of prawns, squids and mussels, all glistening in that rich aromatic butter garlic sauce. It truly tastes like something you would get at a high-end restaurant, but you made it all by yourself. I hope you will try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.